The missing numbers in the pattern 12, 14, 17, 13, 8, 14, 21, dash, are respectively. Multiples are 14, 5, option 2, 13, 4, option 3, 15, 7, option 4, 12, 3. Explanation. The pattern of the given series as follows. 12 plus 2, 14, plus 3, 17, minus 4, 13, minus 5, 8, plus 6, 14, plus 7, 21, minus 8, 13, minus 9, 4. Explanation. Answer 2 is right answer. This question asked in CTET 2024 paper 1.